Okay, so I'm on top dead center here. Okay, now it's the 1UZ. So now here, that's the mark there. Like, that's pretty much right on there. Now, I can't tell if that's out or not. I'm not sure. Looks pretty close. Looks like it might be out slightly because that's the line. Right there. But on this side, it's a different story. That's it there. A little bit of light there. Now that's where it lines up to. It's a bit hard to see. I'll reposition the light. There. So what do you guys reckon? I reckon that's out there. And that side is hard to say, but instead of being there, it's kind of there. And that side is there. If I move that to like all the way over here, it lines up. So it looks like it's off by a fair bit.